We're in Hoover, Alabama. This is in response to the George Floyd murdering. This is BVEA, Birmingham's Black Economic Alliance, recording just some of the footage of what's going on here in Hoover, Alabama. It's a suburb of Birmingham metropolitan area. We have some young men running, and the reason why they're running, they're just running around in a circle in protest. They've been running for the last, 30 minutes, so I hope these guys are on the track team somewhere. Keep in mind, we are less than a mile away from the Galleria River Chase Mall. The Galleria River Chase Mall is a place where E.J. Bradford was murdered. This is why this is a special occasion for this particular area. A senseless murder by a policeman of a young black male occurred in the Birmingham metropolitan area, city called Hoover. Like I said, less than a mile away from where I am. We sit in the shadows of the River Chase Mall.